Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect TradingView to Interactive Brokers. First, open TradingView on your computer or browser and go to the Supercharts section. At the bottom of your screen, open the trading panel. Scroll down through the list of brokers until you find Interactive Brokers. Once you see it, click on it. Now, click on the Connect button. You'll be redirected to the Interactive Brokers login page. Enter your username and password. You'll see two options, one for a live account to trade with real money, and another for a paper account to practice trading. Choose the one you want and click Login. And that's it. You've successfully connected to TradingView to Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.